Hello and welcome to SKTV News. You're watching Afternoon English News with me, Suchitra Rajkumari. The headlines first. Man arrested under POCSO Act for showing obscene content to a minor girl on his mobile phone. Manipur People's Democratic Front MPDF secretary urges voters to elect leaders who are aware of constitutional rights. And JAC's 48-hour general strike on Kangimbam Samita killing temporarily suspended in view of Manipur Integrity Day. And now the news in detail. Police arrested a 23-year-old man for showing pornographic contents on his mobile phone to a minor girl. The arrested person has been identified as Thongamba Kaisam of Wangkai Mayur Laidak Machin in Imphal East District. According to police, the man deliberately stopped the minor girl while coming to her school on the road and showed obscene pictures on his mobile phone. Police has registered a case in connection with the incident under POCSO Act and are investigating into the matter. Manipur People's Democratic Front MPDF Secretary S. Samungo expressed concern over the deteriorating situation in the state despite it having its own constitution. He said the state is like sitting on fire due to the election of leaders who lack understanding of constitutional values. Speaking at a press meet held at Manipur Press Club, attended by party members and local residents, Samungo criticized the public for voting in exchange for money, food, or drinks rather than making informed decisions. He questioned whether citizens could move freely across the 22,327 square kilometer area of the state, including on the highways that serve as its lifeline. He appealed to the public to elect leaders who are committed to truth and capable of ensuring equal constitutional rights for all.
Manipuri border prajasing je kayam satibo oigeda ikoina thagaliba miyusing ase asina sarkar se semdoribani makoina sason tawdoribani habide ong kaw tawremina kaidawra ai hingbagi hak phok leitre mase Manipuri border prajasing khangba janate highway the lisang sina matam kakkabi economy blockade praja ikoi se ngayo chapuda thamaga sananinga meeting a channel than toilet. But on the toilet, water projecting Hagaliva Matic Chadra unfit. I don't know when I been sing a dog. I don't know totally name. Mado water projecting come there. Bona pony, tower of the tower of the lawyer. And they marry you be Tapungami, Tap Pijabungami, then I don't know Tagalaga. Sambidan Kangava. How to govern the state government? I do Kangava Mayama, Tagal and the tower digging a city, Manipur, Salak. Halak sare je koi masen launa ba koi masen hunna ba koi masen langthanna ba adei koi masen akan na ding singba maduna di state se karigum da chu koi mang da progress soi roi now 21st century je Manipur da tawi ji ancient time gi maduna ko khare na hama male.
The 48-hour general strike, earlier announced by the Joint Action Committee JAC against the killing of Kangimbam Ningol Maibam Samita of Tekcham, Thawal district, has been temporarily suspended in view of Manipur Integrity and Unity Day observance. The strike, which was called in protest against the unfortunate incident in which a mother died while giving birth at Thawal District Hospital, was scheduled to begin from the midnight of 3rd August to 5th August of 2025. In a press release issued by JAC convener S. Jameson and chairperson KH Meratombi Lema stated that although the strike has been suspended, they will continue to demand that the inquiry report be made public within a week. Failing this, the JAC warned that it would take stronger action in coordination with civil society organizations and the public. Security forces arrested 4 cadres of different proscribed groups during the last few days. According to police, one self-styled major of KCP, identified as Wahingbam Israel alias Chalamba, aged 47, of Patsoy Part 1, Imphal West, was arrested from Langol Type 2 under Lampil Police Station on August 1. Security forces also arrested 2 active cadres of Pripak Pro from Hairok Uyokching in Thoubal district yesterday. They are identified as Abujam Hemchandra alias Nauba alias Pandamba, 35 years of age, of Hairok Part 2, Kabo Lekai, and Khundongbam Suresh alias Maimu, 19 years of age, of Hairok Part 3, Laishram Lekai. 1 pistol along with 2 magazines containing 7 live rounds and a 2-wheeler vehicle were also seized from them. In a separate incident, security forces arrested an active cadre of KCP PWG from his residence at Lairik-Yingbam Makhalekai in Imphal East District. He is identified as Ngangbam Amarjit alias Nono, 37 years of age, of Lairik-Yingbam Makhalekai in Imphal East District. All the arrested persons have been handed over to their respective police stations to take further necessary legal actions. The proscribed People's Revolutionary Party of Kangleipak, Pripak, has issued a strong denial regarding the arrest of one Yumnam Sushinta Kumar Singh, 26 years of age, of Wabagai Mairenbam Lekai in Kakching district, who was reportedly apprehended by Manipur police with a 7.65 mm pistol and 8 live rounds, claiming him as cadre of the outfit. In a press release issued by Publicity Officer of Department of Publicity and Propaganda, Mangal Kuman, has clarified that the arrested individual has no connection with Pripak or its armed wing, the Red Army. Terming the media reports as false, the outfit accused Manipur police of fabricating the arrest and attempting to malign the image of the revolutionary group. The release stated that such actions were part of a routine strategy by the police to make misleading claims. All Manipur PHED Workers and Employees Association, AMPHEDWEA, has urged the government to convert the casual mustard roll employees who have worked for 32 years as work-charged employees. Addressing a press meet held today at Manipur Press Club, Imphal, AMPHEDWEA President Sapam Samungo highlighted that many casual muster roll employees who have been working since 1999 were retired or removed without fair treatment. Further drawing attention to the plight of 703 retired work-charged employees who did not receive confirmation, Samungo appealed the governor in council to consider an appropriate scheme or retirement benefit for them. He also urged the council to absorb Grade 3 and Grade 4 contract staff into regular positions when vacancies arise and to implement the Essential Service Maintenance Act 1976, Manipur Essential Service Maintenance Act 1948, and Manipur Essential Service Maintenance Amendment Act 2010.
Samapan Maudraga Tareta Lairamba Sarkaduna, Cabinet Subcommittee Semaga, employee Maming, Derovar, other name, Leso posting, Kalmamatamda, Tabaksangai Madu, Verification Torga. Tagal all aduna makoya se workers olage haidana haibagi matungina Manipur Sarkarna ing solisama samapan Maudraga Nipan da sanction post samapan thoe samapan thopagi matungina matamdugi engineer na mi sanipan marfuga nipan workers on thoi aiba on thopas daida Niyom sumna verification tawdabanina leso posting yaudre adagi incumbent oriba employee adugi apopa yaudre yaudabaduna maram oiradana irregularity mayamama thole adagi mu hujitsu olaba ambu singase masigi workers confirm thoe 99 da workers onba singado madu ngasi workers confirm tawre moi pension phangani adu itadi 99 da workers onba yahugraba casual masaron singate ꯃꯈꯣꯏꯁꯦ ꯋꯥꯛꯁꯔ ꯑꯣꯟꯊꯣꯛꯄꯒ ꯂꯣꯏꯅꯅ ꯃꯣꯏ ꯀꯝꯐꯥꯎꯟꯒꯤ ꯕꯦꯅꯤꯐꯤꯠ ꯄꯤꯕ ꯇꯥꯏ.
The Scheduled Tribe Demand Committee of Manipur STDCM will observe the United Nations World Indigenous Peoples Day on August 9 at Manipur Press Club at 2 p.m. In a press release issued, STDCM said that the international theme, Indigenous People and AI, Defending Rights, Shaping Futures, will be localized as the future of Indigenous Meitei tribe of Manipur. STDCM extended greetings to all indigenous communities in the state, including those yet to receive official recognition. The committee reaffirmed its ongoing demand for inclusion of the Meitei community in the scheduled tribe list under the Constitution of India, a movement it has pursued since 2014. It stated that although Meiteis are indigenous to Manipur, they continue to be denied constitutional safeguards, leaving them vulnerable in matters of land rights, culture, and identity. The committee said the global observance serves as an important platform to highlight the issue and push for recognition. Appealing for media support, STDCM called on news outlets to amplify the voices of unrecognized indigenous communities and help bring attention to the demand for constitutional inclusion. Now, Sai STC Kuman Lampak and Postal Service Imphal jointly organized Sundays on Cycle, a routine cycling event aiming to develop cycling habit among the general public for fitness and a healthy lifestyle today. Speaking on sidelines, Postmaster of Imphal Post Office L. Radhesham highlighted the objective of organizing the cycling event, stating that cycling not only contributes in staying healthy, but also reduces one's expenditures for transportation. He also called for developing cycling habits among the populace. The event was also participated by Sai STC Imphal Center in charge L. Ramani, coaches, students, and staff of the Postal Service Imphal.
Nadi yektanabagi hachang phana leinabagidamakta asoba thogdang ama cycling na lowi haibasima sigi wakhalon si thambibani India gi praja sing si hachang phana nadi yektana leinanabagi pandamda aikhoi mari leinabak authority singda Sunday on cycle se yamrabada hapta amamda aikhoi gi fitness ka dose adha ganta rose haidana yamrabada aikoina nomagi oina pungkhai mamtang cycle thausi fitness ki kanabasi longmina si haiba wakholan se honorable union youth affairs and sports ki akoi gi minister Mansukh Mandaviana 2024 gi December gi tang 13 ta haudokhibani.
Bharat Swabhiman Trust and Patanjali Yoga Samiti Imphal West, in collaboration with Haubom Marak Chingtham Lekai Patanjali Yoga Center, organized tree plantation program today. Over 100 saplings were planted in and around the adjoining areas of the locality. Furthermore, the trust has been ceaselessly conducting tree plantation programs across various locations within Imphal West since 2016. The event was attended by Manipur State Organizing Secretary of Bharat Swabhiman Trust, Dr. L. Haridas, along with office bearers of Imphal West District, yoga teachers, and students. The Divisional Forest Officer, DFO, Central Division, Manipuri, also lauded the tree plantation efforts conducted by Bharat Swabhiman Trust. Officials of Forest Department along with locals conducted a tree plantation drive in and around Jingyang Uyung Pareng today. The development comes in the wake of arresting several individuals for felling trees within the jurisdiction of Thongam Mondum Reserved Forest area under Indian Forest Act 1927 by officials of Forest Department recently. The tree plantation, led by Range Officer of Kakching Forest Range Huidrom Sundar, was carried out under the aegis of DFO Thawal Forest Division, Dr. Laisangthem Jesili. Beat Officer of Wangu Beat Office Longjam Ramananda, Students of Green Ground Academy and womenfolk and locals of Wangu Laipam Kuno also participated in the event. Speaking to reporters, Sundar called for environmental protection while emphasizing the importance of forest conservation towards the effort. In a continued effort to combat climate change, Punna Hingminaba Marup Waiton has been carrying out a weekly roadside tree plantation drive from Waiton to Pangai. The initiative, held every Sunday since last year, focuses not only on plantation of new saplings, but also on maintaining surviving trees and replacing those that died. As part of the effort, the team also carried grass cutting and roadside jungle clearing to support the growth of the plants. Punahing Minaba Marup has also appealed to the public to plant more trees in their surroundings, urging everyone to do their part in making the state a greener, better place. And now some sports news. In the recently concluded 42nd National Arm Wrestling Championship, Assam 2025, held between 21st of July to 1st of August 2025 at South Point English School, Balapara to Guwahati, Manipur athlete Khoisnam Chingsang Lakpa alias Buddha clinched gold medal in 80, 90 and 100 kilogram categories. Khoisnam Chingsang Lakpa not only emerged victorious in the national championships, but also qualified for the Asian Arm Wrestling Championship 2025. To commemorate the victory, Universal Friendship Organization UFO Imphal East Headquarter No. 1, Langthabal Kunja Battalion organized a felicitation program for the athlete. Khoisnam Chingsang Lakpa is the son of late Khoisnam Yaima and Khoisnam Ongbi Memja Leima, hailing from Kakwa Maibam Lekai Bokul Mokong. Moreover, he is also serving as an active member of UFO. The felicitation ceremony was attended by UFO President R.K. Sana Parihal, Secretary General Yumlembam Mairaba, Publicity Secretary Tongbram Wanglen, UFO Thangta Chief Instructor Nongmai Them Bijoy, along with other members of the organization. Now, before we wrap up, let's take a quick look at headlines once again. Man arrested under POCSO Act for showing obscene content to a minor girl on his mobile phone. Manipur People's Democratic Front MPDF Secretary urges voters to elect leaders who are aware of constitutional rights. And JAC's 48-hour general strike on Khangyambam Samita killing temporarily suspended in view of Manipur Integrity Day. That is all for now. More news coming up at 5. Keep watching SKTV News.